Well, good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather, bringing you a update here on our severe weather chances over the next couple of days. Try to make a shorter video here tonight so that we can get more people to watch this. Do have an active weather pattern coming into place right now. Here we've got a few showers that are starting to move into the area, and we'll see that start to increase a little bit more as we go throughout the night. If we back it up and you look down here in southern Illinois into Kentucky, you see a few of them start to be on the increase. This warmer air is going to surge our way tonight as the warm front approaches. As that warm front approaches, that's that's going to spark off some showers and thunderstorms with it. And you can see here in an hour or two, this is where the warm front's forecast to be. And then by the time overnight, by 1 a.m., that's through the area here, and you've got a nice warm surge going on. And then tomorrow, we've got the cold front that's going to approach the area, and that's what's going to spark off some more thunderstorms. And so for this evening, we do have a slight risk of severe weather here into the early overnight hours here for just a small little chunk of Indiana here. And then tomorrow afternoon, we've got all of the area here underneath of a slight risk for severe thunderstorms. And so here's the way things shape up. If we look at the temperatures overnight, they're only going to rise overnight. It's the opposite of what you normally think. Instead of falling back temperatures tonight, by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, the NAM's predicting 57 in Evansville, 56 as far north as B-Town there, and 58 in Louisville. So some nice, very warm temperatures. And as you go throughout the day tomorrow, look at this. We surge possibly even into the mid to upper 60s over some of the area tomorrow. So we're going to have to watch that. The temperatures are going to be up there. The moisture's coming in. There's going to be a little bit of instability with this. We've got very good wind energy in place too, and we got the triggers with the fronts moving through. So parameters are there setting up for severe weather events for us. It does not look like a major severe weather event, but it does look like something that certainly could be there regardless of how we look at it. And of course, as I'm recording this now we've got this not wanting to participate here. Hold on a second. Let me pause this, folks. All right, we're back. We got it working there. My apologies for that, folks. My website not wanting to load tonight. Finally got it to load. Pivot Aware, they're moving very, very slow on their website tonight. Probably a lot of people logging in because of this. But here you see, as we go later into the evening hours, there's some of those showers starting to shape up in Kentucky. You got a few moving in here. As we go through the late tonight into the early overnight hours, that's when this is really going to start to come to us. And so this would be about 11 o'clock tonight. You see a pretty good complex of storms here over southwest Indiana. And then that blows up into a pretty good little line, a pretty good little complex that moves sort of to the northeast across the state tonight. Some of these could have some strong winds with them, or even some hail with them, and that's the primary threats tonight. Then tomorrow, and you can see it a little bit on future radar here, as we go through the morning hours here, as you wake up at 7 a.m., it's got us dry, but it's got some stuff forming off to our west. And here's what you see is that by tomorrow morning here, by about, say, 10 o'clock or so, you got a little line of thunderstorms here to our west. And high-res data has not been doing the greatest with this, so we'll see how this goes. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll get a little bit more on this. Right now it gives us, the HRRR model gives us a broken line of thunderstorms here. These could be severe as well as they roll through, and damaging winds and severe hail would be the hail 1 inch or diameter is what's severe criteria. That would be your main threats with this. So overall, this does not look in either situation like this is a major outbreak. But I do think a few warnings would be possible. So of course, just keep it tuned here to Southern Indiana Weather here on Facebook and on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at Southern INWX for more details there as well. Nothing is wanting to load tonight. There you go. My handle there, folks, at Southern INWX. You can follow me for more there. You can follow me for more there on Facebook as well. So warm temperatures moving in tonight. That'll spark off some thunderstorms as we go throughout the evening. Again, nothing out there at 6:17 as I'm recording this yet, Eastern time here, folks, but they'll be starting to pop up, and in a couple or 3 hours we'll start to see this light up a little bit more. So just keep it tuned here for more details as we go throughout the night.